Okay, so in order to demonstrate the next video, I have, as you can see, a normal non-voice remote with the red Xfinity symbol. So for something like this, I had to, because it's the same TV in my living room, I had to screw it up intentionally. So volume's not working, power's not working, does change channels. So if you're experiencing this, the problem is this remote is not paired to the TV. So to solve that, here at the bottom left you have a setup button. You have an indicator up here at the top. So when I hit a button like the enter button, see it lights up red. So if I hold down the setup button here, I'm going to hold this down. See, it turns green. Then you want to hit 9, 9, 1. It blinks. You want to hit channel down until the TV turns off.
But for the last 20 years, I've actually been working on healthcare related issues in Cuba.
There you go. It turns off. Go down here, hit the setup button again. Should flash green. Now you go to the top, hit the power button. The TV turns on. And I can now change the volume. So in a second we're going to go with the completely opposite way and see how to fix that.